Welcome to iReport360, the newest product from RTC360 Development. Once you're into the login page, and after you log in, you will come to the projects page. And once you're to the projects page, you will notice the different options at the top, being admin, projects, profile, and logout. The admin section is where you go to manage your own company, to simply add users to your company, to join projects, assign users from your company to projects, and also invite others to projects from other companies. Now back to the projects page. The projects page, the very first thing that you see is this block right here called Recent Deviations. This shows you recent projects in real time and the reports that have been filled out to where deviations were reported. Below that, you will see the title, My Projects. These are all projects that have been assigned to you from within iReport360. Under My Projects, when you go in and select a project, you will come to the individual project page. From there, you will notice the different information from within the project. You will also see a project description, and towards the middle of the page, all of the different reports and activities that have been associated to this project, being the report list, any deviations, any punch list items, any action items, and any memos that have been recorded throughout this job. In the next section, you will see the project team members. Each name will be associated with their company and which role, and as well as their contact information, and a direct link to an email for each individual. Below that, you will see the current weather, which you can click on and see the different weather forecast, as well as a map on how to get to the job site. At the top, we are currently in the information section. You have the different options to create a report, have the report list, and the shared documents. Now, once you are in the shared documents, you will see the different selections. The first that you come to is the plan images. This is where all the plans will be stored for this project. A very easy and efficient way to receive all of the plans into the field. You can also, in shared documents, get your specs, the project pictures, internal files, which only can be shared from within your own company, shared files, submittals, and shop drawings. The report list, which we saw before, shows all the different deviations that have been reported, the punch list, action items, the memos, and the report list. The report list shows every report that has been filled out on the job site using iReport360. There are different search functions that allow you to search for any report. So if I'm looking for any concrete report, I can simply type in concrete and search, and it'll bring every concrete report up. From there, I can go ahead and view any of those reports that I want to view. So back to the information page. Now we are to create a report. Once you're in Create Report, there will be different options that are shown to you, and it depends on which role you are signed in as. Now I'm ready to create a report. For this general purpose, I'm going to select General Special Inspection Report. So now I'm ready to create a report. I can add a general summary. I can now go to the plan section from the plan library. I can select an image. I can draw on the image to show locations. And I can also add comments and save Once I save, this becomes part of the report that I am doing. As you can see, the plan image came over and saved to be part of our report. So as you go down, you can also do the same thing with the specifications from the specification library. You can upload a photo from the device that you're using or from a photo library. And you can note if there are any deviations on the job site. If there is a deviation, it now becomes marked and flagged and will go to the top of the projects page to let you know that there is a problem on a job site. As you finish your report and you get down to the save and you click save, it now becomes live and in real time to the rest of the project team. Once you save your report, it now becomes part of the report list. This immediately shows anyone from amongst the project team your report in real time. That concludes the brief walkthrough of iReport360. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you would like more information, please email us at info@rtc360.com. Thank you.